Your liver, gallbladder, and pancreas are important in digestion, but sometimes problems in the bile or pancreatic ducts can block this process. That's where a special procedure called ERCP can help. ERCP stands for Endoscopic Retrograde Cholangiopancreatography, a long name for a procedure that combines endoscopy and X-ray imaging to find and fix problems in the bile and pancreatic ducts. ERCP starts with an endoscopy performed by a specially trained pediatric gastroenterologist. The doctor uses a thin, flexible tube with a tiny camera. It goes through the mouth, down the esophagus, through the stomach, and into the upper intestine. This is where the bile and pancreatic ducts empty, and where the doctor can check for blockages, narrow spots, or stones. Your child will be asleep during the procedure with anesthesia and watched closely by a pediatric anesthesiologist to make sure your child stays safe and comfortable. To see the ducts clearly, your doctor injects a special dye that shows up on an X-ray, then uses tiny tools through the endoscope to treat the problem. They might remove a gallstone, widen a duct with a tiny balloon, or place a stent, a tiny straw-like tube, to help things heal and keep fluids flowing. When the work is done, the scope comes out and your child wakes up. ERCPs usually take 1 to 2 hours, and some kids go home the same day. As one of the few children's hospitals in the country offering a full range of interventional endoscopy services, we're proud to offer this advanced procedure performed by pediatric experts for infants, children, and adolescents. With the right tools, the right team, and a lot of heart, we help children heal, feel better, and get back to being kids.